Designing machines isn't just about dreaming up some crazy futuristic gadgets. It's actually a pretty strict balancing act between solving a real human problem and surviving some seriously harsh, real-world constraints. First, we kind of need to rethink what machine design actually is. It isn't just bolting metal together, right? It's really the science of translating a human need into a physical reality. But, well, here's the catch. What happens when designers get completely swept up in the invention part and just totally forget about practical reality? Second, you can think of every viable machine as resting on a four-legged stool. Those legs are durability, performance, cost, and safety. If an invention costs way too much to build or it's even slightly unsafe, the whole thing literally just collapses under its own weight. Third, let's look at what happens when these principles actually clash out in the real world. Take the 2005 Toyota i-Unit. It was this brilliant single-passenger concept car meant to give you total microcar freedom. But it stayed just an experiment, mostly because it completely failed the practicality and consumer demand tests before it even launched. Now, contrast that with the absolutely legendary Concorde. It successfully flew for 3 decades, but ultimately commercial supersonic travel collapsed under its own massive operating costs, safety issues, and a real decline in demand. So, at the end of the day, the most successful machines really aren't just the coolest inventions, but the ones that safely, reliably, and affordably solve a real human problem.